Hey everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. This is going to be a quick little unboxing of the one of the pieces that I purchased from the Hermes Spring Summer 2026 Ready to Wear collection. I showed the box for thumbnail purposes, but actually I didn't ask for a box. I simply just wanted it wrapped in like a Ziploc bag and in tissue because I just didn't want to deal with any of the packaging. Like I don't think this would really come with the garment bag, but the garment bags at Hermes are very heavy. And garment bags in general are very heavy, and as much as I love having them, and I have quite a lot of them, they take up so much space when hanging and also a lot of weight on the rod when you do hang. And so I don't know what to do about it, but this is something that I'd probably like fold away and put in a drawer, so I don't really care, but this is it. And I, was interested in actually a cardigan, but I was shown this. I did try the cardigan on, but I was shown this and I felt like I would get a lot more wear out of this. And this is, and I'll put the screenshot of the item number and item code, and it's this like blush. It doesn't really look like much as I'm unboxing it, but it's like a blush collared shirt, but there's a lot more bells and whistles to this. It's got like wide sleeves, it's got like a slit on the sleeve, probably needs a good steam, and I probably won't steam it for the try on. I apologize, but definitely when I wear it I will. And like some ties, and the front, it's kind of like a tunic almost. It comes down to like mid-thigh, and it's got it's buttoned down, a bit of an embroidered Hermes logo there, and in the back along the waist it's like ruched and elasticated. And so the way, when I tried this on, I loved the color. This is in cotton, and the way that I would wear this would be, I can wear it in multiple ways. I can wear it closed up with some leggings or even wide leg pants. I could sort of wear this as like a light summer overpiece, like not quite a jacket, but just like a bit of a cover up. And I could wear this, I would wear it in those two ways, right? I would wear it open, I would wear it closed, I would wear it like super cinched in, I would wear it with the sleeves rolled up. And the reason why, like, I took inspiration from Chanel, with the new collection, they have the Chauvet shirts, and they're oversized dress shirts, worn kind of like you're wearing like your partner's or boyfriend's dress shirt, and you can kind of wear it as a dress, belted. And the way they're styled on the runway, it's like very boxy, but I'm sure like if somebody belted it, it would be pretty cute. But I mean, price wise, it's insane for a cotton dress shirt. There's a chain underneath, and of course there's a special patch inside specifically for the runway pieces that say the collection all, which is really, really cool. But I mean, the price point is quite high for, like, I'm talking like around $6,000 before tax, right? Which is insane. This is, so it's a cotton twill material. So this is the item code for anyone who is wondering. And this is made of 100% cotton. And yeah, so a few little ties, etc. Like there's a bunch of different ways that you can wear it that's shown on the website. This back part, it's elasticated, and I just felt that this, because right now being postpartum, like I struggle with bottoms just because the lower belly area is a bit, puffy, right? There's a little bit of fat there. There's loose skin, and it will take some time, obviously, but like I struggle to dress in a way where if I'm wearing like a top that's like waist level, okay, what bottoms do I wear where it's not really showcasing this? So I struggle to sometimes dress when I'm going out. And you know, if it's summer, sure, I'll throw on a dress, right? Speaking of which, I could actually wear this as a dress. Obviously not now, but like I could stick like a pair of like longer shorts underneath and sort of wear it as a dress when it's super hot out, and it would look pretty nice. But the fact that it just kind of flows away and it nips you at the waist and it gives you a bit of coverage in the problematic area, I do see this as a piece that I would gravitate towards a lot when I don't know what to wear. And I feel like pieces like that are well worth the money. I know you don't need to spend Hermes money for a cotton tunic, okay? But this is Hermes we're talking about, and you know, it's a way to build a profile. But I do find that the ready-to-wear pieces, the few that I have purchased from Hermes and I've shared with you, I gravitate towards those pieces a lot. For instance, I have a cashmere, and I love their cashmeres. I have a cashmere vest or gilet with a zip, and same thing, it's like oversized, it comes down to mid-thigh. I can belt it, and you know, in the winter, especially going through the body change, and like I put on a significant amount of weight, so I'm a different size compared to when I bought it, and I could still wear it. That just says that that piece was worth it. And I could wear that throughout like the fall, winter, and I could wear it under a coat. And I if I don't know what to wear, I'll stick on a pair of leggings and put that on top, and I look so put together, and I get a lot of compliments on that piece. And I foresee this being one of those pieces where I can wear it in a multitude of ways, and you know, I can just even wear it as a dress and I'm out the door and it looks put together. So I will, as I'm talking, I will stick in some try on videos. Probably not going to demo it as a dress because I don't have shorts that fit me, but you can imagine. Okay, so that it's shown on the site that it's worn as a dress. So just wanted to share that with you. And you know, this is current season, so if anybody is looking to purchase this piece, this is a nice one, and the color is quite flattering. So I wish like I could zoom out enough so you could see, but obviously hopefully in the try on videos you'll get a sense of it. Now something like this would be dry clean only. I wouldn't attempt to spot clean it just because sometimes color can fade in that specific spot. So I do have a shirt dress that I purchased in white. I don't think I did an unboxing or reveal of that, but maybe I'll do like a Hermes ready to wear sort of video where I can sort of show some pieces, and you can get some idea of you know, how these can play into your life. But definitely I would dry clean them just because you don't want to risk like messing it up, right? But yeah, so for anybody who is looking to purchase something this season, this is a good one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.